In this video, we will discuss about the parts of the brain, which include forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. What is a brain? The brain is the most complex organ in the human body, controlling all bodily functions, thoughts, emotions, and sensory processing. It is divided into distinct regions, each with specialized functions. It is protected by the skull, meninges, and cerebrospinal fluid. Now we will begin the topic on main parts of the brain. The brain is divided into three primary sections: forebrain, prosencephalon; midbrain, mesencephalon; hindbrain, rhombencephalon. The first part is forebrain. It is also known as prosencephalon. It consists of two parts: cerebrum, telencephalon, and diencephalon, cerebrum, also known as telencephalon. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. In the human brain, the cerebrum is the uppermost region of the central nervous system. The cerebrum is also divided into symmetric left and right cerebral hemispheres. The cerebral cortex is generally classified into four lobes: the frontal, parietal, occipital, and temporal lobes. The next part of forebrain is diencephalon. In the human brain, the diencephalon is the second part of forebrain. It is located beneath the cerebrum. It is situated between the cerebrum and the midbrain. It consists of structures that are on either side of the third ventricle, including the thalamus, the hypothalamus, the epithalamus, and the subthalamus. The second part of brain is midbrain, also known as mesencephalon. It is the smallest brain region, located between the forebrain and hindbrain. It consists of the cerebral peduncles, tegmentum, and tectum. The last part of brain is hindbrain. It is also known as rhombencephalon. It consists of medulla, pons, and cerebellum. Cerebellum is located at the back of the brain, under the cerebrum. Pons acts as a bridge between the medulla and midbrain. Medulla oblongata is the lowest part of the brainstem, connecting to the spinal cord.